Hey all, this is Travis Homley with UC Hunting Properties and Homley Auction Service. Welcome to this 77-acre Juneau County property that is situated in between Lyndon Station and Mauston on Highway 12. We got this great 77-acre property up here in Juneau County. As you can see, it's foggy here today. This property has been put back into what it was like back before it was busted up for farming. As you can see in front of me here, there's a pond here, there's a pond here. These ponds are dug as scrapes, 3 to 4 feet deep, great for nesting and little loafing for the ducks during the spring. A lot of cover here, a lot of warm season grasses, Indian grass, big blue stem, a little bit of everything in this WRP mix that really holds up nice. We've had a lot of heavy snow this winter and has, knocked this down, but you can still see behind me that a lot of it's standing that allows for great cover for deer. There's pockets of red brush, as you can see behind me. There's a lot of red brush. There's some oaks in the back, ditch bank with a lot of edging with it with good bedding. Surrounded on 3 sides by tillable. We got some woods here in the northwest corner that allow a nice little transition from the woods into the bedding area, and a nice bur oak tree that would be awesome to be set up for a nice little hunting stand on a northwest wind. The care taken to put into a property like this, you really got to see it go around it. I mean, you look at it on a map, it just looks like an open space, but there's a lot more cover here than meets the eye. Folks, this property is a true deal at $1,000 an acre minimum bid. This property is offered at auction ending February 22nd. Get in, go to homleyauctions.com to get in and the bidding on this. Very excited to bring this property to you. I'm Travis Homley, 608-697-3349. If you need any more questions or need a tour of this property.